my vlog. It's me, Lynn Razaga, guys. For today's video, guys, we're gonna cook later on ribs. Minarinate ko po siya ng I have ginger, a lot of spicy, any kind of spices, but the most is garlic, powdered garlic, onion, ginger, yung powder na ginger po, and of course black pepper, sesame seeds, and brown sugar. Try this one, guys, in your ribs, tapos slow cook mo siya. Subukan nyo to, guys. Napakasarap nito, as in. And meron na dito po siya ng 6 hours, but it's better po, 24 hours po, pero ngayon ko lang po siya na so, this po. Try nyo to, guys. You're gonna like it. It's so good. Damihan nyo na lang ng powder ng ginger powder, guys. I-massage mo siya. Massage it all side. Don't forget to put brown sugar. Of course, yan po nakakalasa nito. Side. And then, flip it up. Boom. And then, another side. Ganyan lang po. Okay. Ganito. Massage.
Yeah.
Every corner. Cook it. Slow cook. At least 6 hours, 5 hours. Try nyo kasi palagi namang barbecue, di ba? Barbecue ribs, lahat na lang, barbecue. You guys try this one. This recipe. You guys gonna like it. Ilagay nyo to sa refrigerator at least 6 hours. It's better 24 hours, but it's okay na rin yung 6 hours, guys. Massage to the massage. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Mayroon pa tayong konti. I-ano natin yung konti pang natira. Huwag tayo magsayang ng sauce kasi ang mahal ng bibilhin. Yan. Ganito na po siya. And then the other one, ginawa ko na po siya, guys. Nilagyan na po siya ng, hindi po to sa barbecue sauce. Iba po siya, guys. Ibang sauce po siya. If you can make it your own sauce, it's more more maganda. Kasi sarili mong sikap, sarili mong gawang sauce. Ano po siya, guys? Soy sauce. I-ano ko sa inyo, guys? Soy sauce. Tapos
your own recipe.
Oh, your own recipe. Soy sauce po siya. Lagyan mo siya ng brown sugar, of course. Kasi yung brown sugar po ang nakakasarap nito. Lagyan mo siya ng brown sugar. Any kind of spices. You can put any kind. Yeah, garlic pepper, garlic pepper, any kind of sauce, any kind of spices. Nasa bahay nyo. Yung nasa bahay nyo, guys. Ilagay nyo yan, dyan. Meron mo to ng 24 hours, pero 6 hours lang sa akin. 6 hours lang sa akin, guys. Kasi massage mo lang, it's the same thing like what I did the other one.
You know how to massage a man? You can massage like this.
Tapos, lang siya, guys, yung ulit ko, soy sauce, brown sugar. Huwag niyo po lalagyan ng lemon. No lemon. Yung iba kasi nilalagyan ng lemon. Nandyan po yan sa inyo if you guys wanna put some lemon. Pero ako hindi po. Brown sugar lang to, soy sauce, sesame seeds. any kind of spices, garlic powder, onion powder. Black pepper, of course. Try nyo to, try nyo. Lagyan mo siya ng konting olive oil para hindi siya mag-dry. Ang kagandahan nito guys kasi dinamihan ko talaga siya ng sesame seeds. At saka brown sugar. Ano nyo muna, tikman nyo muna yung sauce nyo. Kung may kulang, i-add nyo bago nyo to i-massage dito. Diba may mabili kayo guys na onion na yung chop onion na ba? Yung chop onion, pwede nyo lagay dito. Hindi sa powder pero nakalagay chop onion po. Subukan yung ganito. OMG. O, diba? Kung ano lang mayroon kayo sa bahay ng mga sauce, try nyo. Done. Mamaya po kasi yan, lutuin po namin yan, guys. Ito na po yung itsura niya. Sarap! O, diba?